we need to understand who Hussain was. To introduce Hussain, Imam Hussain. Hussain was the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was the son of the commander of the faithful, Imam Ali, peace be upon him. And what was he doing? He could have just stayed home and hidden somewhere along with his family when the tyrant leader of the time was just calling out for his subjects. But instead of being quiet, he stood up and made this march against the tyrant leader